Okay, we're going to try to capture a moving average crossover here. A 10 smooth versus a 30 smooth. 5-second candles, 5-second expiry. Multiple buys in the crossover. A demo account at 1073. A little pullback there. We'll start buying up here on the crossover. Keep buying up when it pushes against us. Hopefully we'll get a follow through just like that. And we will look at our results. And what we have here is pretty nice at 8:52 Central Standard Time. It looks like we got all wins, which that doesn't always happen like that. So we got quite a few wins. We had a tie right here. And we are in a demo account here to illustrate this strategy. Okay, we're ending at 1184 on the demo, and our crossover was a 10 smooth versus a 30 smooth. Doing a few multiple buys, especially on this pushback right here. We happened to catch it really nicely here, and then it did push on through pretty good for us as well. Alright, that's it for now on this demonstration. As you can see, we're looking for these crossovers here. We'll show you some more. This one right here possibly could have worked, but there's a pretty good chance that one worked. There's a pretty good chance that this one may have worked, but you have to be careful buying at the top here. Okay, that's it for now. Y'all have a great day. Thank you, and have a beautiful day.